Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Continuing the paper W19 QP2 October November, and I'm going to go through task 4, which is the mail merge. And of course the mail merge is giving you a letter like this file here .rtf, means you can open it using Microsoft Word, and will ask you to send it to many, and the recipient names are in this file, which is a normal Excel file or comma separated file. Okay, now let's follow the question 29. Create a mail merge, open this file and add these recipients in this file. Okay, so let's find the file name, which is club. Let's find the club file name. You open the file name and it's a normal letter, as you can see here, and we can go to mailing, and immediately we can select the recipient, and of course we have an existing list with the name members, so I just select using existing list and then find my file, my desktop. Okay, where is it? Club, isn't it, or what? Members. Members. Now once you do that, if you click on edit recipient list, you'll find that you have all the needed people that you'd like to send the letter to, as you can see here. Okay, now let's follow the question. Replace the date with chevrons with a field to display today's date in this specific format: WD, 3M and 2Ys. Now whenever you find the date, you can select it with the chevrons, of course, and you can go to insert, and to get a specific format you normally insert the date from quick parts. So find quick parts, okay, and then find the field. You can get many informations here. What information we need about this document? We need the date, and you can select the date format from here, or you can just type it like the question, which is dd dash and mmm and then 2Ys, and then you can click OK. Okay, this is the specific date that they wanted. They will check the date where you selected the correct format or not. You can always right click and select toggle. As you can see here, it will show you the format that you have selected. Next, evidence. Take a screenshot evidence of the date field code showing the formula used. Place this in your evidence document. This is evidence number 10. So do the same thing now. Now right click, toggle the fields, and then screenshot only this specific format. Now you can go and open your evidence file if you have it here. We have the evidence, and then we can go to evidence number 10 and you'll put it there. Okay, now by this they know that you have selected the format that they wanted you to select from quick parts, since dd, 3ms and 2Ys appears here. Okay, let's move on. Replace the text and chevrons in the master document with the merge field from the data source as below. They are giving you everything that you need to know. For example, the GRP here will be replaced by group. Okay, and notice that I'm taking the space with me, so I need to go back to mailing, fields, and then select group, and then make sure that I put back the space. Okay, and the same for the rest of them. Let's find them. For example, here we have a text between chevrons, MTH, and MTH is month. So again, I will go insert field, find the month, and I'll do the same for the rest of them. Make sure that you don't select the comma if there is a comma, and make sure that the spacing is left as it is. Okay, this is BK, which is book. I'll just find book here. That's it. AUC, AUT. This one is author. Let's find the author here. And what else? Do I have something else in here? Yep, again you have dy, and without the comma. I need to take it without the comma. Dy is day. Let's go select and find day, and we've got dt, and dt is date from here, not from quick parts, of course, and we've got tm as well, and tm is time, and I'll find time, and down there can you see now it's very time consuming, VEN, the venue, select the venue, MTH, which is MTH, where is MTH? Again the month, so I'll put back the month again, and NTS here, which is the notes. So just go and find notes, double check that you have not skipped any of the fields. Sometimes they are inside the body of the message itself. Okay, next, make sure the spacing, punctuations and alignments has not been changed, and this is very important to whenever you are selecting these fields, to make sure that you retain the spacing between the text. You never change the formatting of the text. Okay, step 1, replace the text candidate name with your name. This is simple. Find the text candidate name and replace it. That means you delete the original one and you put your name there. Okay, that's it. Include your sentence number, candidate number in the footer of the documents. So I just go insert, and I can insert a footer, any footer, doesn't matter. If you'd like to separate them, you can always select the second one here. I'd like always to separate them. So SD034, and I'll just remove this empty, and here I can put my, let's say, candidate number. Okay, it's up to you. They did not specify where exactly in the footer. Save and print the master slide with the merge field display. And now we need to go to File and Save and Print it. So, or save it first, and we can print it to show them that we have actually merged the field, each and every one of them. And as usual, we'll print using you can select print to PDF if you don't have a printer connected to your computer, and I will just name it master document. Okay, and make sure that you save it in the folder that you're working in. Okay, we just save it there, the PDF. And now if you get your folder, you'll find that you've got it here. Okay, this is just simulating the printer. Everything looks fine, nothing is being missed. Let's move on. And print out 4 is done already. We made sure that our name, sentence number, candidate number appears there. If you remember, we put them in the footer. In question 32, they are asking you to set an automated filter to send the letter only to the December month. Okay, so we will not send the 9 letters that we have found here. We will send only to December. How to do that? You edit the recipient list by clicking here, and if you notice here, I have all the letters. I have 2 methods of doing so. If you look here in the months, we have all the months. We need only December, so I can just untick the rest of the month. That means I don't need these recipients, and I can click OK. Or I can just go to filter, select that I would like to filter by month, and then put here the filtering, which is December. Okay, so I've got 2 ways of doing so, doing the filter or doing it by unticking the unneeded letters and leave only the letter that I need to be sent, which is this December, and this December. So from here, you know that you will send only 3 letters. So if I look, I'll send it to this one, and this one. So I've got only 3 letters that I will be sending. Okay, evidence, of course, they will ask you to provide an evidence of how you filtered the letters and selected only December. I can of course go back here, and I can show them the ticks, or I can again open this one, select the month, December, put it next to it like this, and then I can provide a screenshot like this and put it under evidence 11. So I'll go to my evidence file after I click OK, and under step 11 I just put my selection method. Okay, merge and print the letters for December only. Save and close your file. Okay, now to do so, what I need to do is to go to this area in the mailing. Make sure you are in the mailing, and then go to this area. You'll find finish and merge. I'll say finish printed, print all letters, and then of course I will select print to PDF to print it in a local file. I'll click OK, and then I will name it merge letters. Make sure that you save it in your folder. Click save. Now if I go back to my folder, I will find that the letter is sent only to 3 people: number 1, number 2, and number 3. Okay, and that's it for the mail merge.